Come join me as I declutter my body care products. So, my darlings, I just wanted to show you a clip of where I'm getting all these creams and oils and scrubs and everything from this shelf. And so I just wanted to show you this. It fits a lot. So, my darlings, here are the lotions, the scrubs, and body wash, and a mask that I'm getting rid of. Sadly, they're no good anymore, so what a waste of money. I'm getting rid of, throwing out 7 lotions, 2 scrubs, 1 mask, and 1 body wash. So here they are. Closer look. So there you have it. So now I'm going to show you the lotions that I am keeping and that are, well, most of them are good, but like the ones here you're looking at, especially probably these 3, these may not be any good. These are from Bath and Body Works, and they're like a whipped shimmer body cream. And these are somewhat newer, and then these are the older ones. So I have those. Next up, we have these 2 body lotions are from either Victoria's Secret or Pink or whatever. And then this one, Candy's, is from Kohl's. And these are actually pretty old lotions. But I checked them and they're still good. So I'm going to be keeping those. So next up, we have some more Bath and Body Works lotions. We have Cotton Candy Clouds. 2 Cotton Candy Clouds, and I don't know if you can see, but they're both still in package. And this one is the red velvet cheer. I'm going to be giving that away. But I'm going to keep these 2, but I'm probably not going to be using them. They're more for a collection. So, I don't know, they'll probably be bad, but I'm keeping it for Mrs. Cotton Candy. Basically, if that makes any sense. Next up, we have these body creams. The coconut oil, I really love this stuff, so I will definitely get through those. These, this is a cotton candy one, and this is blueberry. I got those 2 from the Dollarama. They're probably more nostalgia kind of things. And then this one down here is body butter, and that's from Pink. And then this is obviously from Olay, and it's an SPF moisturizing cream. So I gotta use those up. So next up we have 3, 1, 2, 3. Those are for Bath and Body Works. This is a cotton candy whipped body butter from Five Below from the States. And this is eucalyptus spearmint body butter, blueberry extract, and at the beach. I just recently got this. I've had this for a while, and I have been using, like, I need to use this up. And I just got this too. And sometimes when I get new things, I start, and I really shouldn't have started, you know, with the creams. I've really, in the last 2 to 3 years, tried not to buy any body butters or lotions because I just can't get through to them too quick. But anyways, I have those to use up. So next up we have these 2 are from Bath and Body Works. This is from Pink. This is the ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I have been using that one. This is somewhat old, so I'm not really sure if that's any good. I gotta check it, but I do love the glass. That's glass. And this one is the honey and ginger body lotion, and that's kind of have to be used up because it's starting to, you know, it's all right, but it's gonna go, like, in another year it'll be it'll be done. So those I need to use up. And then these two are both from Bath and Body Works, Cotton Candy Clouds. And then I just recently got the True Blue Spa. It's a super rich body cream. So those need to be used up. Here's some more lotions that need to be used up. That's an SPF. And those are like tanning creams kind of. So back to Bath and Body Works. We've got the travel size lotions here that need to be used. And I think I have some more of these. So yeah. And last but certainly not least, these shimmer lotions. I think that this one obviously from Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure. I think those ones on the sides are from Victoria's Secret or Pink. And these are old. But I don't want to get rid of, they probably should be thrown away, but I don't want to get rid of them. It's part of my collection, so I'm keeping them. So my darlings, here they all are together, my lotions and body butters and SPF lotions or whatever. They're all lotions and body butters. And like I said, the last probably 3 years, I try not to buy any lotions because I find them hard to get through, and then they go bad so quickly. So don't do as I do. This is a lesson for me, because as you can see, this money gets wasted like this. That's all being thrown away, sadly. So June 15th is Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale starts. The summer sale at Bath and Body Works. There you have it. Thank you for joining me today here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. And remember what I always say, believe in yourself, I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now. Thank you for all your love and support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Toodaloo. Bye.